Hey yo, so you see my ball done came out. If you already took your door panel off, you already know that this ball, with the ball that comes out of here, goes in this door panel right here. This is my door panel, but the ball comes out. The ball goes in. It goes in that hole right there to allow access to unlock, get out the car from the inside. So with that ball being broken and me pulling this, there's nothing for the ball to catch on because the ball's gone. Anyway, I found the easiest way. Oh yeah, I bought me a replacement from AutoZone. $40, 37 plus taxes or whatever. But excuse me. So then you need an Allen wrench. It's pretty easy. You need this size. 5/32. You need this size. Take out those 3 bolts right there. Those 3 bolts are super hard to get out. I ain't gonna lie to you, because I never done this before. These are the bolts right here. Make sure you don't lose them. But yeah, once you get that, take your finger this over here, finger this to allow it to push this in a little bit, and then boom, you see that orange, that brown? See that brown? Basically, you're gonna, hold up. So basically, you're gonna take the brown, right where the brown is, you see that little, you can't see it, but, oh, here we go. You see that little, where the ball is right there? Alright. You see where the ball is? See how it just goes over? You're gonna take that ball, just go over those little 2 hooks, which allows you to take out, which allows you to, you know, squeeze. I can't really, there's a bunch of videos on YouTube how to get the door panel off, but if you were able to get it off of this one, it's gonna be the same procedure. Squeeze it off right there once you get that ball off, and just reverse the steps. You know, obviously this part goes in that hole right there. Take it out of that hole, put the new ball in. Hopefully this helps you out. And then after that, connect the door panel again, and then you're able to get out from the inside again. I hope this video helps you out. And comment if you have any questions.